Welcome to the Know Before You Grow series. Today we're going to be looking at the Sungro Black Gold All-Purpose Soil. I'm Matt with SoiLab.
And I'm Kris with my soil.
Follow us along as we fill out a scorecard, evaluate its overall score and best uses. The first thing I pay attention to as a consumer is the price. Now, the price of this soil on a per cubic foot basis was $20.32. Now, based on our scale and chart, that scores this 5 for our scorecard.
Yeah, the next thing a consumer's likely gonna notice is the smell of the product itself. So once you open the bag, you know, what is that smell? On this one, I actually ranked it at a 6.
And I was actually at a 7, so let's maybe talk about the whys.
It was pretty neutral. It didn't smell like healthy soil. I don't know, just really neutral, kind of woody.
Yeah, I just thought it was kind of non-distinct in its smell. It was just kind of a neutral smell, and so that's why I had it at a 7. There was absolutely nothing off-putting about it. For the scorecard, we'll go ahead and put a 6.5 up and then move on to just the overall look and feel.
Yeah, look and feel on this one, I scored it at a 5. How about you?
Yeah, I was at a 6, but I was kind of on the fence. Why we downgraded this one a little bit, and why is that?
Yeah, just, I don't know, the texture of it, very woody. There's actually a ton of rocks in this mixture. I mean, you can see these, you know, these huge rocks, and yeah, I just wasn't doing it for me.
Fair enough. It's actually kind of funny. I hadn't even noticed the rocks until right now, and I was the one that filled all these containers. So yeah, some rocks, some coarse woody materials. Definitely probably want to be wearing gloves when we handled this. So we'll go ahead and put a 5.5 on the scorecard for look and feel, and I'll turn it over to Kris with my soil to talk about our soil test results.
Yeah, so on any of our bag soils, we run soil analysis through the My Soil test prior to planting. Based on those soil test analysis on nutrient levels, I scored this a 6.5. It was low in one of our major macronutrients, which is nitrogen, which is a key driver to growth. Most all of our other macronutrients were good. Micronutrients were low, which is typical in these type of soils, but our pH was right in range. So yeah, I scored this one a 6.5.
Yeah, and I was right at a 6.5 as well, and that lined up with the nutrient density score that you get from the My Soil test. So we can definitely agree that 6.5 goes on the scorecard. I did just want to mention that this is enriched with fertilizer, and that's going to be polymer-coated synthetic fertilizers. So it does have a slight fertilizer analysis on the bag. Looking at my cheat sheet, it's 0.13% nitrogen, 0.04% phosphorus, and 0.13% potassium, and that's with the polymer-coated fertilizers added. You do see the results of that low nitrogen in this chlorosis and deficiency on the older tissue first, but there was enough to get us to bloom.
Yeah, so on the will it grow side, you know, it did early on, all the plants looked the same as the ones next to it, but it really started to stall out. We're really starting to see the nutrient deficiencies, especially in the nitrogen showing up, where the plant is pulling nitrogen from these lower, older leaves and trying to support new growth. So really spindly plants, not near as nice a growth as we saw with some of the other plants and other soils that we've run. Interestingly, the lettuce did okay, but not near as big and robust as it should be. So on this one, on Will It Grow, I actually scored it at a 4.
Oh, okay, and I was right in that same ballpark. I was at a 5 for all those same reasons that Kris mentioned. So let's go ahead and put 4.5 on the scorecard and tally up that overall rating. I've done that already, and the overall rating here is 5.6. And so with that lower rating, with the growth we're looking at, Kris, what do you see as the best use for this Sungro Black Gold potting mix?
Yeah, I think, you know, based on price, nutrient levels, and the growth, I would think this is more used for bulking up a bed, that knowing that you're going to need some additions of nutrients to this soil to complete the growth cycle of these plants. Also an addition for organic matter, water infiltration, and holding capacity for native soils as well.
Yeah, I completely agree. I think, you know, you can definitely place it and plant it, but just look at some of those soil amendments or fertilizer additions so that you can avoid any of these deficiencies that we're seeing here. Well, hopefully this information about the Sungro Black Gold soil is going to help drive decisions in your garden. If not, maybe you found this a little entertaining anyways. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon in the lab.